Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to swap two numbers. Let's begin by declaring variables to hold our two numbers. Next we will import the scanner class to scan input from the terminal. Let's prompt the user to enter each of the two numbers. So after each prompt we will use our scanner object to scan for a number of type int. Let's print out the numbers before the swap. We will now do the swapping. So here we are taking the sum of the two numbers and storing it in our y variable. Then to get the value of x, we will need to get the value of y, which is the sum minus the value of x. Then to get the value of y, we will use the sum, which is y, minus the x value, which we got from our previous calculation. Let's use a real example. Let's say our value of x is 6 and the value of y is 4. So our y value here will be 6 plus 4, which is 10. Then our x value here will be the sum minus x, which is equals to 4. And finally our y value will be 10 minus 4, which is equals to 6. So let's print out the value of x and y after the swap. We can now run this. Enter the first number, 6. Enter the second number, let's say 4. So you can see before swap x is 6 and y is 4, and after the swap x is 4 and y is 6. Let's recap on what we did. So we declared two variables of type int. We then imported the scanner class to capture input from the terminal. Then here we prompted the user to enter each of the two numbers. We are then printing the value of the two numbers before swap, performing the swap, and then printing the value of the two numbers after the swap. Thank you for watching this video.